Hi, do you have any questions in accounting, banking and finance, and are you looking for reply to that through a dedicated video lecture? Then this video is for you. If you are new to CA Raja classes and haven't enrolled in any of our paid courses, then this opportunity will help you to a larger extent. Click the link in the description below. After sign up, it will take you to a form where you can post your query or the doubt. I will go through that question, and if it is answerable by me, then I will take it up as an assignment. I will reply to your query through a dedicated video lecture. For this, I'll be charging rupees 99 upfront from you. After your payment, within 3 days, this video will be created and shared with you. I'll also be sharing this video in our Q&A compendium for the benefit of other students. So if you have any query or doubt, please post that immediately. Wait. If you have already enrolled in our paid courses, then you can ask your queries free of cost using the Telegram community, which we would have shared at the time of enrollment. Make use of it.